Okay guys, just came back from Mama. I dropped my car here. Yes, AutoDetailer. And look at this place. So AutoDetailer is at Jaya 1, P2, you know, lower ground level 2 of Jaya 1 at PJ over here. And these guys are some of the best in the world. I'm not just saying some of the best in Malaysia. They are one of the best in the world, right? They have customers from Hong Kong, they have customers from Japan who ship their cars over. I'll tell you why later on. Those of you who have watched some of my earlier videos where I was here, you will know it, but if you do not, these are some of the best in the world. Alright, let me bring you to my car. Alright, so they're not just your usual polish wax detailing. I mean, ask your local so-called detailer if they're able to hoist your engine out and clean the engine bay, or whether have they done a full restoration on a black series, or do they do things like this, proper factory Porsche paint on an R32. See, these guys don't just do polish and wax, they do everything. Right, proper dismantling with all the proper tools, do their stuff here. And this is the owner, Darren.
Hey guys.
Yeah, he is my good friend. And every time I bring my car here, I will feel embarrassed because he has a very high level of standard, which I do not have. So very quickly, dropped my car here, went out, and I came back, and he has already seen things that I didn't see. Right, all these are markers on stuffs that he needs to correct. And just now the engine bay, okay, here on, see, to me and you it looks perfect, right? To him he's like, wow, there's so much dirt in here. I'm like, where's the dirt? It's like, yeah, what's wrong with it, right? But for him, he's like, oh, there's a lot of cleaning needs to do. Yeah, all this to him, the watermarks and all that, that's black stuff. All this, he's gonna clean it up, correct it. All right. Some are small, minor dents that I don't even see, but of course, he is professional. He knows his stuff, and he's gonna go through all this thing for me. And they do all kinds of stuffs here. They do PPF, they do very high quality tinting, they do all that, okay? And so Darren, since I bought this car, now I have no more money. Let's say, what is your entry level package that I can sign up to?
Are you going to be working for us? Well, we have our different detailing programs, but we also have programs that are more catered to what a client requires as well. Yeah. So our top of the line work, as you see, cars on the hoist are called the signature detailing programs. Okay. So those will take 2 weeks or so. They cost anywhere from 15 to 18 grand upwards.
All right.
But we have detailing programs that are, say, for the age of the car in this state, that we could work on for about a week, and basing on the specs and what's required for the interior and exterior, anything in the 8 to 9K region, we could pretty much transform the car. So that's probably something we want to suggest. That's our Elements program.
All right. What if someone just bought a C200, you know, he wants to come in here and see what basic things that he can do. Okay. Right?
For new cars, we've got basic programs, which basically most of our work entails around paintwork correction. So paintwork correction is proper work, as in not just covering it up with some polish and then basically putting a coating on top. So our programs all come with a coating.
It comes with a coating as well.
Every program will come with a coating, because in our weather, waxes and sealants don't last long. Waxes 2 weeks, sealants 4 to 6 weeks. Our coatings will last you for the good part of a year, not longer. There are companies will tell you that it will last you forever, but that's not the case.
There's a lot of promises out there.
There's a lot of promises out
there. They say 10
year, 7-year lifetime warranty.
10 layer, 20 layer, right?
We've heard all of that.
He's the only guy who will say, don't believe all that. Maximum 1 year, and then, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Most of the time, what you're paying for when you come to AutoDetailer is actually the paintwork correction process.
Yeah.
So for us, the coatings only represent maybe 20% of the cost.
Yeah.
So it's not something we focus that much on. They work, but it's only a sealer.
Yeah.
The primary work is actually perfecting the paintwork, and that's where our work comes in. So for new cars, say a C-Class or a BMW 3 Series that comes in, detailing charges will be anywhere from 4 grand plus to 5 grand depending on what you need.
So even if my pocket 4,000-5,000
Yes.
ringgit, I can come in here and
Yes.
see him.
Yes.
Just to be here, you know. And so we're gonna. I'm sorry, there's a lot needs to be done, right? You need to clean up the interior, the gunk and all that, right?
Interior, the leathers will need to be steam cleaned.
Okay.
There's a lot of contamination to be removed out. The carpets.
Contamination.
Contamination. Yes. Sorry, but we're in a world of bacteria as well, so that's
All right.
part and parcel of what we do. The leathers will need to be treated.
Yeah.
There'll be a lot of correction processes inside, and of course, all the carbon fiber trim needs to be polished too.
All right.
So that's all part of our process.
And how long will it take?
I'd say a good part of about a week to a week and a half,
All right.
based on the condition.
So those who say, I can do detailing for you, you drop your car here, you go have lunch, come back later, those are not very true.
Those are what we call polish and wax jobs.
Polish and wax only.
Basically, you mask as much flaws as you can and put a thick layer of wax, and that presents the car to a finish that looks somewhat glossy and somewhat smooth feeling.
Yeah.
But after a couple of rains and car washes, you'll realize all the swirls return back. So that's not a proper process that we do.
I see.
We don't do that sort of
I
work,
see.
yeah.
I see. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff to be done, and I need to say, you guys are doing what
Yeah,
here?
we're reading the paintwork right now. So we've got ultrasonic gauges.
Yep.
So the ultrasonic gauges will basically do a quick test and tell us how much is your paintwork depth
Yep.
from bare metal,
Yep.
which our team then would be preparing a report, and then the detailing program will be basically designed around the density and the quality of your paintwork.
Crazy man. What if I come in here and I tell you, bro, I have a very low standard?
Remember what I said about abuse kids?
Abuse kids. You will not let abuse kids. Okay. So yeah, I'm excited. I got a used car, and of course, I want it to be clean and nice as well. And he's the guy for the job. You know, AutoDetailer here at P2 Jaya 1. Sometimes even if you drop by, you want to come in, he's a very, very nice guy. And if you love driving, he's a fantastic driver. Yeah, and goes out on weekend drives with us as well. So let me show you the other stuffs while I don't kacau them on this. Let me show you around. I try not to show the number plates if I can, you know. That's a beautiful 993 over there, restoration. There's a beautiful M5 V10. There's a Speciale 45, the R32, and a brand new 530i. They brought it here as well, right? And this is a nice place. And let me show you something. They don't reuse their cloths over here when they wash your car, and the water that they use to wash your car is being filtered and filtered and filtered. Yeah. So the water that he used to wash your car is cleaner than the water you drink at home. Yeah. Very, very high standards here, but there you go. Alright, so don't laugh, Malaysia has one of the world's top auto detailers. Alright, and these are the aircon room, you know, to keep the cars. There's a CLK DTM in there, Porsche Turbo Exclusive Series, and this is a lovely place. I love hanging out around here. And yeah, I'm gonna come back here and pick up my car in a few days' time. Cheers.